Welcome, listeners. Now you can listen to a talk on Rashtriya Raksha University by the director of Rashtriya Raksha University Shimoga campus, Kaveri Tandon.
Namaskar, I am Dr. Kaveri Tandon, Director, Rashtriya Raksha University, Shimoga campus. I am here to give you a talk about the Rashtriya Raksha University, a university which got its institution of national importance by the Parliament of India in year 2020, given as the importance of national security. University, also known as RRU, has its 6 campuses spreading across the various parts of India. Our main campus is in the Gujarat, Gandhinagar, which is also our headquarters. Then we opened our second campus in Pasighat, Arunachal Pradesh. Then Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Then Puducherry, which is a union territory. Then we opened our recently new campus in Kashmir. And as I talked to you about the Shivmoga, on March 2023, we opened our campus in Shivmoga. Now there's a thing in your mind, why Shivmoga? Why not the other parts of Karnataka? So because the Shivmoga is the center of Karnataka. In Shivmoga district, we don't have any central university. Shivmoga has a very good weather and it has a very good connectivity by roads, railways and airways. And it is a hub for the coastal area, plain area and Malnad area. That's why Shivmoga was chosen to open its campus of the Rashtriya Raksha University. This was the history of university. I would also like to inform you that this is the first university who's working for the national security, not as the internal national security, but also for the external national security. As these days, we all know what's happening with the India and Pakistan, stating about the Pahalgam attack, which happened in April 2025. So national security is also very important. That's why coming to this university at Shivmoga campus, we offer very different courses. Like we have a courses of Bachelor of Arts in Security Management. It is a 4-year course, which is according to the new education policy. In RRU, any courses is of the NEP policy of 60 to 40% ratio, which means 60% it will be a classroom teaching and 40% will be of experiential learning, where you will have a visits to the various places like the police stations, in police station also, cyber police station, women police station, traffic police station. You have a visit in RAF Bhadravati. Students have also visited the district courts of the Shivmoga. They have also visited the central prison of the Shivmoga. And recently we also have a visit at the Indian Naval Base Karwar, where student also has got opportunity to visit the INS Tushil, the very new commissioned naval ship which the India has got. In the Bachelor of Arts in Security Management, if the students wants to join any sort of the police forces or the CAPF, this is the best course for them. As this help them to appear in the competitive examination, in the UPSC examination. In this course, we teach them about the forensic science, about the criminology, about the law, about the working of police, where is police stations, their registers, how the police is worked, and even about the various CAPFs we have in India, like BSF, CRPF, CISF, and even about the students learn about the intelligence, investigative agencies like IB, RAW, and NSG. Then comes our second course, which is a BA BSc in Defense and Strategic Studies. So you all are wondering, what is BA BSc? It's a dual degree program where the students, those who have passed their PUC in arts degree or commerce degree, will get a BA degree. And the students, those who have their science background, they will get the BSc degree. Same this way, we also have MA MSc in Defense and Strategic Studies, same way the dual program. Through this program, students learn about the various activity which takes place in the defense sector, like the Indian foreign policies, about the India's relationship with our various neighbors like China, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, so many neighbors, not even the neighbors, to the various different countries, what sort of relationship we share with the North Korea, Russia, USA. So you all learn this. After doing your degree in Defense and Strategic Studies, you will get the opportunity to become commissioned officers in any defense sector like Army, Navy or Air Force. You can become the part of the National Advisory. You can be the account manager for the defense. You can be a research analyst. People can be a defense practice lead. You can even work as defense counselor for the various agencies, those who are work. Like we all know these days, we are giving very good importance to the defense. And at every state or at every important juncture, we are having our cluster, defense cluster. Like for an example, in Karnataka, Bangalore is our defense cluster where we have a very good headquarters of the southern regions. So for that thing, defense is a very good opportunity. After this, we have MSc in clinical psychology. In this course, you learn about the clinical psychology, forensic psychology, about the personality of a person, what sort of people they are, how they work upon this thing. It is actually a very good opportunity which is provided by the clinical psychology. After this, you can go for your private practice. You can join the hospitals also. You can also join as the forensic hospitals also, because the forensic psychology is also these days a very good exposure they have. It's very important. They can also go for the higher studies. After this, we are starting a new course which is MA, MSc in Criminology and Forensic Science. Again, the same dual degree concept is there. In this MA, MSc Forensic Science, as we all know, in the southern part of India, SOCO officers is very important. And plus, with the new criminal laws, they have mentioned in BNSS that for every crime where the punishment is more than a 7 year, that crime will have their own forensic personnel with them attached to that particular investigative group. So that's why, covering all this aspect, we started this MAMS in Criminology and Forensic Science, where you can have a job opportunity as a forensic scientist, as a crime science investigator, digital forensic investigator, like ballistic experts, forensic photographer, and law enforcement officer, various opportunity. Rashtriya Raksha University also provides you 5% weightage if you get degree from any degree from Rashtriya Raksha University. You can get this weightage if you apply for any CAPFs or for the police, especially for the Delhi government, Gujarat government, Jharkhand government, Arunachal Pradesh government. Besides this, we are still in the talking terms with the many governments, and we have also initiated the process of this 5% weightage with the Karnataka government also. So this was about the courses. Now I would like to tell you about the day in RRU. A day in RRU starts at 6 a.m. in the morning, where the students engage in the various physical activities, starting with the warm-up exercise, then they go for the cross countries, then they have their football matches, they also go for obstacle course, yoga, drill, because we believe that if you start your game with the activity, your mind will always be fresh and you will be able to focus on this. It gives you the overall fitness, not the physical fitness, but also the mental fitness. Even in the evening, students are indulged in the sports like the volleyball, cricket match, so that they can have a teamwork and they can command drill while they shed off their hectic routine. Because our classes starts from the 9:45, where the theory is also important part of the role. In some of our courses, there's the practical examination, like for the forensic. Students in the bachelor also learn the same forensic practicals which the students doing the masters will also learn. Besides this, student of RRU has opportunity to visit the various programs. As I have already mentioned, the students have visited different places like police station and all. Getting a degree at RRU will provide you to have opportunities to work with the various CAPFs or the state police. As I have mentioned, you have a 5% weightage, and we have also initiated the process with the other governments so that the student having their degree from RRU is beneficial. This degree will come with the logo of Ministry of Home Affairs, and it is valid all over the world. As we don't provide any traditional courses, we provide all the courses which directly or indirectly are related to the internal or external security. If we talk about the clinical psychology, even the police personnel or the persons working in the defense sector faces the stress management. So clinical psychology helps us over there. For the defense and strategic studies, you can help it out to find out the various defense strategies, how to go ahead with the different countries, as we have different policies for the different countries. For criminology and forensic science, as it's helpful for the internal security also. So how to proceed with the criminology, how to profile a criminal, how to proceed with the forensic science, being the analyst and everything. For BA security management, there will be opportunity, as you can be the part of CAPFs, you can be the part of the policing. All you have to do is to clear your physical examination and the written examination. Then the degree of RRU will help you to achieve that. All sort of courses which I have mentioned are only available in Rashtriya Raksha University. As Rashtriya Raksha University, all other campuses have different courses. None of the courses is same as the other universities. We provide a very unique and the tailor-made courses pertaining to the security. as we are the very first university of our nation and in some other parts of the country who works for the internal as well as external security. To apply to Rashtriya Raksha University at any UG or PG courses, a person should have 50% marks in their previous examination. For example, for applying in any UG courses, so in your PUC or in plus 2, 50% marks. For applying master's courses in graduation, 50% marks. Admission currently at Rashtriya Raksha University is purely on the merit basis with a small telephonic interview which will be conducted by our experts in their particular field. Admission process at Rashtriya Raksha University has been started. So last date to apply at the UG program is 30th June and last date to apply for the PG program is 14th of August. So I request you all kindly visit our website and check about the university and its various courses. To apply at Rashtriya Raksha University, visit our website which is rru.ac.in/shivmoga-campus-karnataka-. There you can register, click on the apply now and there you'll get a registration form. Fill up your registration form. After that, pay a fees which is different for the different courses. For UG courses, the fees is 1,000 rupees. For PG courses, registration fees is 2,000 rupees. Apply for that fees and then you can register yourself. During the registration only, you have to upload your marks card of the 10th and plus 2. If you belongs to any category, your category certificate, including your photographs and the marks of the various things. And if you are involved in any various activities like for NCC or the sports, that certificates has to be uploaded during the registration time only. For the UG courses, the intake is of the 30 seats and for all the PG courses, intake is of 20 seats. In total, at Shivmoga campus, we are offering 6 courses, which are Bachelor of Arts in Security Management, BA, BSc in Defense and Strategic Studies. Then for Masters, MA, MSc Defense and Strategic Studies, MSc Clinical Psychology, MA, MSc in Criminology and Forensic Science, and 1 postgraduate diploma in Police Science and Management. Rashtriya Raksha University Shivmoga campus also provides a hostel facility to the students. So I request you all to visit the Rashtriya Raksha University, especially the Shivmoga campus. We have our campus in Ragiguda, which is in the Shivmoga. For application, you can apply at our website, which is rru.ac.in/shivmoga-campus-karnataka/. Or for query, you can contact us on the phone number 90-368-99360 or 90-368-99357. Thank you so much. Namaskar.
You have been listening to a talk on Rashtriya Raksha University by the director of the Rashtriya Raksha University Shivmoga campus, Kaveri Tandon.